Oh my God. Did you guys see the video of that girl stripper talking about her giving this guy a private dance? And at one point of the dance, she went to open her leg. And at the same time, the guy went like this. And he asked to cut the dance short. She made a whole video talking about it and how that was her wake-up call to dealing with her body odor. Could you imagine that being the way you find out? She went on and on talking about how she went down this whole journey of trying to figure out how to get rid of body odor until she went down a more holistic route. Day by day, those holistic remedies are becoming way more mainstream. She thought a bit smarter. So instead of her thinking of how can I get rid of like what's outside, she said maybe the problem is coming from within. So she started researching things about like detoxifying inside your body and all those things. If you've been on TikTok for a while, then you've probably heard of chlorophyll. That's the route she went down. The thing was, it was a different kind of chlorophyll, not the drops that you see everyone putting in their water. She found it in capsule form, not just chlorophyll. It was mixed with parsley and peppermint leaf. So it was even stronger than the drops that everyone was talking about. I was skeptical, but I bought it. Let me explain myself. The whole reason I even tried it in the first place was because they had a 30-day money back guarantee. So if this shit did not work, I was just gonna get my money back. But bro, I live by this shit now. You know when you forget to put deodorant and that stench just smacks you on later on in the day? That is non-existent for me. And fellas, that horrendous smell that you get down there after the gym, don't worry about it. It's gone. I will say this does not work the second you start taking it. Don't expect to take one or two and it's gonna work like a cologne or something. That's not how this works. You need to stay consistent for 2 weeks. Some people say that they've noticed change after 1 week. For me, it was 2 weeks, and that's what the bottle says as well. People basically are calling it an internal deodorant or like an internal deodorizer, but people are catching on. So if you're even lucky enough to still see a link somewhere here, that's because they actually have in stock or they just restocked because they're always selling out. I always make sure to grab more than one bottle in case I do miss the next restock or whatever, because everyone is hopping on that shit. Good luck if you can get your hands on one. But remember, if you can and it doesn't work, just get your money back.